y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Talia Janae, and welcome to the vlog. So it's Friday, 5:02. We're waiting on Jonathan to get home, but us as a family are going to the Nashville Sounds game tonight. We will be in the club suite because we're bougie. No, the company I work for, they have a suite, and so we got tickets for them. Me and my other team members at work, and we're bringing our families. So I'm about to go ahead and do Micah's hair, and I'm gonna bring y'all in the truck, but I don't think I'm going to take my camera into the game, but I'll probably just vlog from my phone. Micah, come on so we can do your hair now, child. I'm so glad the week is over because baby, it about took me out. Are you wearing a hoodie? Are you wearing your hoodie?
Hello, I'm Micah. Baby, let's stop.
No, this is how you show somebody something. First, turn it this way. Hold it this way. And then do like this. But what are you showing them? You got to tell them.
Pink is your favorite color.
No. Okay. Now,
pink is your favorite color.
You can come in the... There you go. Now tell them.
No, I don't.
You wanted to tell them so bad.
No, I didn't want to tell them.
You just want to show them, but you have to tell them what they're supposed to be looking at. How are they going to know?
That's it. That's it.
He was showing y'all a pink marker because it's my favorite color.
I'm showing you a pink marker. That's my favorite color.
Not you falling.
I
Child.
wish he fell before.
It'd be the drama for me.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Lady, stop doing markers.
I already have it. In my
But yeah, this week was a very rough week for me.
And me.
For you too?
Mm-hmm.
Why was it a rough week for you?
What did we have?
Oh, y'all had testing.
Yummy.
You have to answer 100 questions.
Yeah. Y'all had testing this week and last
Have
week.
this.
Maddie, we are about to leave. I guess. I mean, you already put it in your mouth now.
No one to sit down.
No, you're fine. So I'm going to go ahead and finish Micah's hair. We're going to finish up everything. And by the time we're done, Jonathan should be home. So I'll probably see y'all in the truck. All right? See y'all in a bit.
Bye.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the As I'm walking through your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the worst in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you.
Good morning, y'all. It's Saturday. It's 10:15, I believe. I don't have my watch on me, and I don't feel like getting up. I believe it's 10:15 though. So we are about to go to Waffle House for breakfast. Yes, breakfast.
I know that.
Okay. Micah does have flag football practice today, but he's not going. Because it's optional. So we decided not to go today because he has to practice tomorrow for an hour before their game. So today was like optional. So we're just gonna have more of like a chill Saturday. Y'all saw that fireworks show at the ballpark? It was nice. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be that big. I thought it was just gonna be like a few fireworks and like that was it. But they do that every Friday home game, so that was nice.
Fireworks were small.
Boy, no, they wasn't.
Yes, they were.
Max was like, that was amazing. So don't let him fool you. I did want to go into a couple stores today. I think I want to go to TJ Maxx and Barnes and Noble. For what? I don't know. I don't need anything. But I sort of just want to go and shop around and have some me time. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I think that's about it, y'all. So we'll probably see y'all at Waffle House. Let me know what you want so I can pick it up. All right, see y'all in a bit.
Oh, I thought we was going to the WAF. I want to go to the WAF. Yeah. The WAF.
What is the loft?
Hey y'all, it's 6:02 and I'm about to make some tacos for dinner. Something quick and easy, a quick one too. And then I'm gonna sit my butt down pretty much. I did go to Walmart and got a couple of things and still spent $100. It's like you can't go in the store without spending $100. So we're gonna have tacos for dinner, and then we're also gonna have queso and chips, and that's just all we're doing tonight. Don't really have anything going on. We're just hanging out. Jonathan's working on the lawnmower. He had to fix it, so I did have to help him go do that for a minute, but we're pretty much chilling the rest of the day. I did start, let me go get it. So I'm about to show my age, but do y'all remember these? Let me see if you can see it.
You said what?
Just realized I didn't take my. It's just as usual. They come out relatively.
Yeah, they do.
easy, you know.
Especially when the ground isn't hard.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you making?
Tacos. But yeah, so I started making Maddox one, and I started another one. It's turquoise and green, I think. But I was just seeing if I could make it. And I remembered, I was like, I was that person that would start them. You know what I'm saying? When people would be like, can you start this for me? So yeah. So yeah, that's all we really got going on, child. That's about it. I might start pulling weeds tonight or later. I don't know, we'll see. Or I might get up early and start pulling them. One or the other. But anyway, I will see y'all in a bit after I'm done cooking. Good morning, y'all. It's 8:41 and I was gonna go walking this morning, but I have to start pulling these weeds. So that's what we're about to start doing. I'm tired, but I have my coffee. I know I look a mess, but we're literally going to be in weeds, and I will show you these weeds because they're a hot mess. This is the first pool of the season. So anyways, that's what we're about to do, and I'm about to show you what it looks like. These are what the weeds look like. You can't even see the mulch, honestly. Jonathan did pull up the spot right here just to see, you know, how deep they were, but y'all, look at this. This is a mess. So this is going to take me a couple of days to complete, but so yeah, we have this side, and then we have the other side too that we have to do. But my goal is to just do down there and then end right here at the corner of the house. So that's my goal for this morning. Let's see if we can get it done. And then once we have all the weeds pulled up, then we will buy more mulch and put down our new mulch for the season.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us.
All right, y'all. So it is 10:08. I'm done with the weeds for today. I got all the way to the corner of the house, and that was my goal, so that was complete. Now I'm about to go take a shower and then order Dunkin' for everybody and then start getting everybody up. Micah has a game. He has to be there at 12:30 for pictures, and then practice is at 1, and then game is at 2. So let's go shower. So I was gonna take a shower and get myself ready for the day, but Maddox was like, I'm so hungry. So we're gonna go ahead and run to Dunkin' and pick up the order, and then I'll shower and get myself ready for the day. Child, I was like, so first off, another thing, I'm buying a magnet, a car mount today. I'm ordering one from Amazon today because I cannot put y'all anywhere in this car. Like, it's so frustrating. So, I have like a magnet case to put on my Osmo, but I don't have anything to attach it to because there's no metal anywhere. So I'm going to order that today. I just got to figure out which one I'm getting, but I'm ordering that today. And I also have to get cash out for Micah's field trip. We need to stop by UPS if they're open. I need to send something back to Amazon. And I got to figure out what we're cooking for dinner. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and go to Dunkin', and I'll see y'all in a minute. Watch the kid with the red mouthpiece.
Get it, Micah. There you go.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job, boys. Way to go. Yes, go, go. Attaboy. Good job, Micah.
Hey, y'all. It's 4:19, and I just pulled up to the beauty supply store. I was seeing if I could find just like a little wig for the week and some new hoops. That's all I'm in here for. So we're going to go ahead and go in, and I'm not trying to be in here all day. I'm literally just trying to find something, and then I have to stop at Costco. I think I'm going to get the boys Costco pizza because Michael was like, oh, I like Costco pizza. I got it on Friday at school, and I was like, oh, okay. The teacher bought Costco pizza. But anyway, and then me and Jonathan are going to get Jersey Mike's for dinner. So, yeah. Anywho, let's go into the beauty supply store.
As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the words in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I won't give up.
So, me and Jonathan are about to go on a walk. Me and Maddie already went on the walk. But then I had to bring his butt home because I need to walk in peace. But the minute I stepped off the driveway, this car of like 4 teenage boys, I'm calling them teenage, they looked about 20 maybe, were like, da, 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 and driving crazy. So Jonathan's gonna walk with me because I need to hit my 10K steps for the day. That's my goal. And even though I already got that thing, still, I would prefer not to have to use it. So I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. It's Monday, so I'm literally about to start a brand new vlog. So thank you for kicking it with us this weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.